Hello, welcome to K-pop Ajuma channel. I'm Mary, a BTS army, and Kim Taeyong is my bias. That's why I have blonde hair, wearing this shirt, similar to what Tae was wearing when he sang "Love Me Again" for the first time on TV. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button down below and like this video. So let's go to the Who Am I portion, where your Ajuma spits out a little information about myself. Let's meet Slash. Slash is a red Doberan, similar to Jungkook's dog Bam. She is my youngest son dog, and she loves watching TV with your Ajuma. So now, this is the unboxing series 2, where your Ajuma opens the blue box. So let's open the box. J-Hope style. Who doesn't want to be opened? Oh, there. Okay, so we're opening the blue box. So let's see what's inside the box. Ooh, look at here. Wow, we got letters from Tay. Although this one is in Korean, so your Ajuma wouldn't be able to understand it. Second one, still in Korean. Okay, but thank you, Tay. It's the thought that counts. Okay, so now, oh, there's Yeontan. Yeontan. And what else do we do? Oh, of course, the card, the layover card, just like last time. Okay, and then, wow, what is this? Oh, let's see this. It says layover. That's it. And this is the CD, the layover CD. Now your Ajuma can enjoy this one now. Okay, let's put this one in here. So that's it. Okay, and then we have, what else do we have? Oh, look at here. What is this? Let's open. It says layover. And we have, oh, pictures. More pictures of Tay. Remember this one from the Blue music video. From the Blue music video, okay? And then the other one. Wow, for us. Wow, look at Tay. And this one, wow. Look how stunning V is. And of course for rainy days, okay? But it has something at the back too. Actually, this one says for us, okay? It says for us, 230908, okay? And then this one actually says blue, okay? It says blue at the back. And this one, it says love me again. And this one, slow dancing. And the last one is rainy days. It says on the back. Okay? And I have two more. This one is a postcard, like a postcard from B. I wish you could love me again. It says at the back. But this is from rainy days though. Okay? And this one, ooh, V in a helmet. And this one, it says, right back to you. There it says, right back to you. Okay, and what's this? Oh, like a notepad. Wow, okay. Notepad, so I can take notes. To-do list. Your Ajuma's to-do list. Okay, and next one, layover. And we have V. And this is the song book, okay? It has all the songs. Okay? Remember, we have 5 songs and the piano version, okay? So it has the lyrics, the information about the songs, okay? And wow, look at here. I have a full book. A full book of photos. Wow, so it says layover. And there. Look how stunning it is. Okay? I have more pictures to cut and paste it and paste on my wall. Okay, so there's Yontan too. There's me. Wow, there's more. Mm. Full book. Full book of these photos. There. More photos. And the last one, remember this scene where V was crossing the street. Okay, so that's the last photo on this book. And then what else did I get? What's this? Ooh, more photos. Layover. Hmm? And this one. Wow, look at V. I remember this one is from Love Me Again. More pictures for your Ajuma. Wow, and there's one more in the box. Give me a and this one is the last one. Okay, the last one on the box. And this is still V. A poster of V. This will be nice here. Maybe Ajuma should put it here. Okay, that's it. No more. It's an empty box now. Okay, thank you for watching. I will now start enjoying my layover album. See you in the next video when I open the two more boxes. Okay, I have two more boxes to open. Thank you. Bye.